In this lesson, we are going to learn about answer short question. The task here is what? We have to give the answer of a question. That question is going to be simple only. It can be tricky, but it is going to be simple. How many questions we are going to get? Earlier we used to get 10 to 12, but nowadays mostly students are getting up to 5 only. And remember, there is no beep tone here. The moment question is over, don't think like you will get a beep sound. You have to answer it immediately. Okay, you will have 10 seconds, and the basic rule is same, that if you are quiet for 3 seconds, microphone will stop. Okay, after answering a question you can click on next. Okay, then skills. This question will check your listening and speaking skills. It means it contributes to both these modules, listening and speaking. Scoring or marks, well, correct, incorrect is there. All earlier questions were they were like partial credits. You will get something out of 15. It's not like you are getting 0 or 15. Here it is either 1 or 0. Okay, so you have to answer it correctly. So what is the right approach here? Listen carefully. If you do not understand the question, you won't be able to answer it. And even if you don't know the answer, still do not panic. Why? You, with presence of mind, I think you can easily answer it. Okay, do not panic here like you don't know. If you panic like I missed one question, you may miss remaining 4 also. And even if you miss remaining 4 questions, I don't mind. I don't think it will affect your speaking score. You need 80 you can easily score. You do good in first 4 questions, you can easily score 80. Okay, so do not panic. If you don't know answer of 1, you can answer remaining 4. And even if you do not know the answer of 1, still like think. Okay, keep saying something. Now after this I will do practice in front of you. Keep saying something, and while saying something you may you may get the answer in your mind. Questions are easy, sometimes tricky. Like what comes, how many days are there in a leap year? What comes after let's say August and before what comes after August and before November? Okay, or before October, something like that. Then who cuts the hair? What do we call the person who cuts the hair? What is the name of the joint which connects our hand to the arm, or which connects our arm to the shoulder? So sometimes you will get question, not sometimes, questions are always like this. Guys, this is not the test of our intelligence. They are just checking our English. Can we listen simple question, day-to-day life question, journal question, and answer it? You can answer. If you understand, you can answer it also. So that's why the level is easy. Okay, the level of this question type is easy. Why? They are not checking your intelligence. They won't give you any technical question. They will give you something simple, day-to-day life related question. Let's say you means how many let's say if the question is what gets published daily to for the news, well, it's newspaper. You do not need to say newspapers are published daily. Okay, and if you have answered something incorrectly, correct it, no problem, but do not pause for 3 seconds. After that microphone will stop. Okay guys, now I am going to do some practice in front of you. You will get to know about the interface, and you will get to know about the questions also. So let's start.
What do we call the list of steps that tell you how to put something together?
Instructions, directions, instruction, direction. Now why I said like instruction, instructions? So whatever is the correct word, it will pick. So what is the correct word? Like instruction, that's all. It has picked this one. Okay, next one here. So this is how you will get. Okay, you have to click on next one, then only next.
Which section of a train timetable will tell you what time your train leaves?
Departure, departure section, departure. That's all guys. This is how you are going to get. Okay. So what is the correct answer? Departure here. Okay, let's do one more.
How would you describe an economy based largely on farming?
Agriculture, agrarian, agricultural economy, agrarian economy. So what is the correct one? Agricultural, that's all. So it will pick agriculture. Okay, let's jump on to next one.
Which language is most commonly spoken in Britain?
English, English language, English. So see how easy this question was. Which language is mostly or most commonly spoken in England? It is English only. So questions are going to, out of 5, 3 are going to be easy, very easy. 2 are going to be tricky. I won't say. Now, what was the earlier question? So if an economy is based on agriculture, then what do we call it? Agricultural economy. That's all. Okay. Now let's check one more here and see like whether it will be simple one or tricky one.
What is the opposite of exporting?
Well, it is again easy. Importing. Opposite of exporting. It will be what? Importing. Okay, so I won't be wasting your time. Questions are like going to be like this only. Now, how can I help you here? I will upload the file on the portal. Just download it. Okay. Just go through all the questions. Whatever questions are there in that file. I can help you in one way. I can provide you a list of all the questions. Around 700, 800 questions are there. You go through all those questions. Not every day, just once. Have some idea. Okay, that's all. If you get 5, this question will have weightage of 5 marks. Okay, and out of 5, some percentage, maybe 2, maybe 3. Out of 5, maybe 3 marks, maybe 2.5. Those marks are assigned for your listening module. So if you answer incorrectly, you will be losing only 2 marks or 2.5 marks. And it's not like you will answer incorrectly. Out of 5, at least you can answer 3. Okay, at least. So in any case, you are scoring, let's say, either 2 or 1.8 or 1.9 out of 2.5. Okay, so this is the 5th question type, answers short question. Nothing for any teacher to discuss. Practice as much as you can. Okay, and go through all the questions. Okay, whatever file I have uploaded. So go through all the questions and then have presence of mind. Do not panic. Sometimes questions are simple, but students panic. They don't get idea. Make sure that it is not happening with you. Okay, guys. So that's all, guys. With this lecture, I am also done with the speaking module. Now jump to the next lecture where I am discussing the first question of the writing module, that is summarized written text. Okay, guys. Thank you very much.